darkness, the trees are full of starlight, and all I see is him and me forever and forever. And I know it's only in my mind that I'm talking to myself and not to him. And although I know that he is blind, still I say there's a way for us. I love him, but when the night is over, he is gone. The river's just a river. Without him, the world around me changes. The trees are bare and everywhere the streets are full of strangers. I love him, but every day I'm learning. All my life I've only been pretending. Without me, his world will go on turning. A world that's full of happiness that I have never known. I love him. I love him. I love him, but only on my own.
Well done, Molly. Louise, what did you think?
Oh, Molly, that was definitely a step up from last week. I feel like last week we kind of lost a little bit of you and your strengths and what you do well. And you came back this week and showed us that. It was a really lovely vocal, much better than last week. If I was to give you a bit of advice going forward, it would be to really take a song and try and make it your own. The fact that you play the piano and that you're using the instrument in your performances makes it that much easier for you to do that, because when you're being your own backing, it's easier for you to play with. You can play with the rhythms, you can play with the times, and really kind of change it up and make it, Molly's song. So I really want you to kind of explore that this week and really try to make something very unique. But I do think it was a lovely, lovely vocal. Like I said, definite step up from last week. So well done.
Kelly?
I thought that was a beautiful performance. I think it's the thickest I've heard your voice. You really seemed to sort of, you seemed more comfortable this week. I don't know whether it was because you were back behind the piano, but vocally you seemed more confident. Even your piano playing felt more confident this week. At the end of it, you had this really sort of like husky, breathy sound in your voice, which was lovely. I'd like to see you explore that a little bit more as well and bring some more sort of like light and shade, bring some more tones in and just play around and see what you can do. But I did think that it was a beautiful performance. Well done.
Yeah, Molly, this was, after last week, this is definitely you stepping back into your game, definitely. I don't think it's the best I've seen of you, but it's definitely a step up from last week. The piano makes such a difference. I don't know what's happening, but every time you're behind the piano, I feel like you're more you. And that's why I think you should kind of take advantage of that this season. Definitely 100%. What I liked about this choice, which I wasn't expecting, was, of course, I've heard you sing this one before, but you changed this up from when I last heard you sing it. And not just the last part of the song, but the way you sang it and the way you pronounced certain things was very different to how I heard it before. Definitely really powerful, definitely really thick in the middle section. You should be really proud of yourself. A step up from last week. Well done.